What's up, y'all? It's your girl Slay, and we're back to give you another posing tutorial. Today we're doing editorial nude posing. We're going to show you how to get the shot without giving OnlyFans. So first things first, you want to make sure you are with a photographer or a crew that you are comfortable with. I would not ever suggest you guys start out doing boudoir or any type of nude posing with photographers you do not know. You see how much love he's giving me just for the seat. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. One of my first tips is to always use what you got, but never have it facing the camera. So number one, you're never going to have your private areas facing the camera in a way that could give too much seduction. So as you see here, as I am facing the camera, I'm going to make sure to eloquently hide it. Ooh, you see me using big words. We're going to make sure it still looks like we're giving editorial. We're not trying to give off too super sexy because it's not the look we are going for. And I'm just going to go ahead and start exploring some poses. These are a lot of my warm-up shots, and I'm just trying to make those angles. If you guys watched my other video, I did go ahead and explain the triangle method that you're looking for. So as you can see, I'm making just triangles here and there as I am posing. I'm trying to keep in mind that we want to make sure, of course we got this close-up shot because I know it was dope, but we're just going to make sure that we're giving nice good angles so that the focus is not so much on what I'm wearing, or rather the lack thereof, but rather how I am posing. So I am still facing towards him, and I know there were some shots that he liked with my hands in my face giving different angles. So I did again make sure that I was not exposing myself in a way that didn't make any sense. While this may look like I am, we did start giving a concept where it was just mostly my shadow. So this is why you'll start seeing me do a lot of different shapes, and you'll see a little bit here when he comes up close what we were going for. And again, just giving off that silhouette version. And you see Falabi here saying, yeah, we got to get that portrait going. So that's what we end up doing. So yeah, you'll see me start making just all types of intricate shapes here. Oh, can't talk today. In hopes that it gives off a really cool silhouette. So I'm just, doing a lot of Michael Jackson's. Remember the Time? Yeah, that I'm pretty sure that was what going through my head. And if you can see the sneak peek there, you'll just see the silhouette of my posing my body, and Falabi's making sure that I have enough space to give those angles. But yes, look at the preview here. Oh, it came out so fire. Oh, I was so excited. But yeah, that's why I'm giving a lot of just real intricate shapes, moving my arms. My legs, of course, they're a little bit more restricted because of how I am facing the camera. But this is where, I like to explore and start doing some other stuff. We had these two cool blocks, so I'm just giving, again, more bodily shapes so that when it bounces off the wall and gives that shadow, it's just gonna look really nice. This is actually probably gonna be my favorite pose when I see more of the edits come back, only because I like how my body looks. And so we went ahead and changed outfits. And now this is where we changed the playlist up. So I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna get a little more in tune. You guys know one thing I always promote is having a good playlist on set to get you in motion. So same thing, we're giving a little bit sexier, but still we are not going to be facing the camera with things that don't need to be there. So I am not doing any face down ass up shots. Pardon me, YouTube, if I'm not allowed to say that, but I'm still giving you sexy without showing anything. I'm still giving the illusion, and that's what you want to bring to the set. You don't want to go ahead and bring, yitties out, hips on, fire. You don't need to do all that. I'm looking very sexy without actually doing anything much. Now, this is where Chris, famous photographer, go ahead and does his lighting setup. And I just want you guys to see, this was a shot I actually posted on my Instagram. Y'all know when I get a chair, it's about to go down. I don't know what it is about chairs and me, but we just go together. So I'm again doing the same thing. We're getting that silhouette shadow off the wall. So I'm just gonna give him different poses and different angles. Y'all, when y'all see the final of this one, you gonna know, you gonna see. I'm giving him variation between full body and portrait. As you can see him going back and forth, and I'm just making sure, again, I'm just giving some different angles. There's never a rule as to what you can do. Some things I tell my people who, oh, this was a shot. I tell my people to not overthink it. When I tell you I just be doing stuff, like I really just be doing stuff. I just feel my body. I become one with the music, and I'm generally just having a great time on set. As you can see, once we got that shot, we was like, yep, here we go. We done did that today. But me and Chris always bring some fire to the set. So from here, we actually transitioned to making a short music video. So you see me just walking in, and we just end up turning my song on, and then I just pretended like, you know, there was Bae sitting in a chair, and I just went ahead and was like, we finna work this. And it was actually a lot of fun. I am not a professional dancer, and I'm just gonna give a little bit of video tips while I'm here. When you see your videographer going left, try to go right. It just gives a lot of more motion. I was taught that by Chris himself. And so as he is going backwards and forwards, I am just trying to give the opposite direction. That way, again, we're showing motion, we're showing body, we're showing, you know, a lot of stuff. You see me here flipping up and down on the chair. This video is probably going to be really, really dramatic. However, I thought it was worth it because just seeing the preview, I was like, yep, this is the one. I may or may not post this for Valentine's Day. I don't know. I feel like Valentine's Day is oversaturated with this content. So I may wait a little bit to post it. But I just know, yeah, shout out to, I think it was Neo Say It came on, and I was like, yeah. If y'all don't know, that's my jam, okay? That's been my jam since high school. And so I turned that on, and I was just feeling it. I was like, yeah, we got Boo on the mind. Again, just have fun, play with it. I know people are like, oh, I'm on camera, I gotta be extra. Not even. This is literally me in my like form. Like if you've ever seen me at home around my husband, this is just how I act. And I need you guys to just be more relaxed. You guys got this. Know, like, you are beautiful within yourself. So you don't even have to do too much. Just be the great you that you are. So yeah, we're giving angles, we're giving poses as we're shooting the video. And yeah, this was like a lot of fun. I am excited for you guys to see this video. I am also glad that you guys came back to check me out again. So I am here to do my little outro. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @SlayTheModel so you guys catch all these shots, all of these finals, and we'll go ahead and see you next time.